don't think Penny likes my new humidifier. Penny, what is that? What is that? It's making fog. Is it so Mommy doesn't have to call out of work? Yeah. It's really cool though. Don't mind my terrible sick day. Look. I didn't have distilled water though, so I need to do that, but this is wonderful. Hopefully this will make my breathing life better, because the air conditioner is mean. Very mean. I love you, little droplet. You're awesome already, and I'm sure my plants will like you too. Little plant corner. Time to snuggle up and watch some Netflix. Penny, what is that? Maybe I'll pick her up. Here, you want to see? Hi everybody, it's okay. It's just fog. It's just fog. Yeah, it's nice. You don't like it? It's okay. It's good? New experiences today? Alright, we're gonna Netflix and take a nap. So hopefully I can feel better. Because I felt like crap when I woke up. And I was panicking, so never a good thing. I bought a whole bunch of feel better things. I have some Isommune and Tylenol and cough drops. Not that I have a cough, but I have like a tickle. My throat is just hurting so bad. It feels like my tonsils are like swollen, where like I want to gag when I swallow. It's not a good thing. You shouldn't want to gag when you're just swallowing normally. But yeah, that's how it goes right now. I think Boots is gonna snuggle. Penny's helping me unload my... That's for Mike. I'm sure he'll love it. And I got children's acetaminophen, however you say that, melt-aways, because I don't feel like I can swallow a pill right now. Penny's in my bag, my shopping bag. I guess this is my sick day vlog. If you can even see what I'm doing here, I'm just like holding the tripod. Let's make it into a monopod. Here we go. There we go. Although it's not very stable. Can't like swing it around. But I'm very pleased with my... Will it focus? Will it focus? Focus? Yeah, there we go. Look how cool that is. I'm very pleased with my purchase. Thank you, Crane Company, for this wonderful droplet thing. But I will get distilled water for it later. I don't have any right now. I'm vlogging too close. Alright. Time to snuggle back in the bed and maybe eat something, because I haven't eaten yet. I didn't even brush my teeth. I was just like, I need a humidifier. We have an older one, but I feel like I needed one to just always have in my room. And that one's like big and chunky. This one looks nice. Mom will probably yell at me for buying it, but maybe it will prevent me from taking more sick days, and then she can be happy about that. And if I just feel good all the time, because I can breathe and swallow, my nose won't be dripping and my eyes won't feel like they're popping out of my head. Oh, here comes Violet. Violet, what is that? She's so scared. Violet, what is that? What is that, honey? She's just dead locked on to that humidifier. So scared. Why? What is that? What is that, honey? What is it, baby? Peanut. What is that? You don't like Mommy's new toy? You want to see it? Closer? We'll do to you what we did to Penny. Let's put you on a tripod. Weird, we're already running out of battery. This always happens. Come here, Mommy, show it to you. Ready? Say hi, everybody. I'm gonna look at the humidifier. See? It's okay. This is a nice cool mist. What do you think? You're reacting better than Penny. It's like you're in a cloud. What do you think? Mama likes it. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Say bye-bye. We're gonna snuggle now. Alright. Nap time. Bye.